Have you ever said yes in English, but inside your brain you were screaming, I have absolutely no idea what this person is saying? You smile. You nod. You pray the conversation ends soon. Stop doing that. Today, I'm going to give you powerful rescue sentences that will save you in real English conversations. The awkward truth. Hey, my friends, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever been in this situation? Someone is speaking to you in English. They sound confident, they speak quickly, their pronunciation is smooth, and you are standing there smiling and saying, yes, yes, of course, absolutely. But inside your mind, complete confusion. Your brain is screaming, I have no idea what is happening right now. And the most uncomfortable part, you don't want to look silly. You don't want to say, sorry, I didn't understand. So you activate the survival mode, the polite smile, the small nod, the serious listening face. But let's be honest, you are not listening. You are surviving. Today, we are fixing that problem. In this lesson, I'm going to give you powerful English rescue sentences. These are short, natural, real-life expressions that native speakers use every single day. They are friendly, they are simple, and most importantly, they will save you when your brain freezes. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and promise me one thing. No more yes, yes, yes dance when you don't understand. Ready? Let's begin. Rule number 1. Stop faking it. First rule, do not panic. Second rule, do not pretend. Because saying yes when you don't understand is not confidence. It is a future problem. Let me give you an example. Imagine your manager says, so, please send the updated file to Sarah before Friday. Call the supplier to confirm the order, and then adjust the numbers in the report. And you respond with a confident, yes, of course, no problem. Then you walk away thinking, what file? Who is Sarah? Why is Friday suddenly attacking me? That is not a good situation. So here is your new strategy. When you do not understand, you do not smile and suffer. You use a rescue sentence. A rescue sentence helps you ask someone to repeat, slow the conversation down, clarify a word, confirm the meaning, or buy time to think. And here is something important. Native speakers use these sentences too. When you use them, you do not sound weak. You sound normal. Quick question. Have you ever nodded politely while understanding absolutely nothing? Yes? Welcome to the club. Now, let's fix it.
Rescue sentence number 1. Ask for repetition.
This is your reset button. When you don't understand something, say, sorry, can you say that again? Let's practice slowly. Sorry, can you say that again? Now normal speed. Sorry, can you say that again? Perfect. This sentence gives your brain a second chance, and often the second time is clearer. Here are 2 more natural alternatives. Option A. Sorry, I didn't catch that. This means you didn't hear it clearly, or it was too fast. Repeat it. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Option B. Could you repeat that, please? This one is slightly more formal. Excellent for work situations. Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Mini practice. Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? Great job. And remember, use it immediately. Do not wait 3 minutes and then say, sorry, can you say that again? Because then they will ask, from which part? You can also use a very short version. Sorry, one more time. Short, friendly, effective.
Rescue sentence number 2. Control the speed.
Sometimes the problem is not vocabulary. The problem is speed. Some people speak like they are competing in a marathon. Okay, so let's meet after lunch and then we'll finish that. And you are still processing the first word. In that moment, you say, Could you speak a little slower, please? Repeat slowly. Could you speak a little slower, please? Now natural speed. Could you speak a little slower, please? Excellent. 2 shorter options. A bit slower, please. Can you say it slowly? Both are very common. Quick tip, smile when you say it. Tone matters. Do not say, slow down. That sounds aggressive. We are not training dogs. We are communicating politely. Let's do a drill. Fast sentence. Send the document and call me before lunch. Your answer? Could you speak a little slower, please? Another one. Go left, then right, then upstairs. Your answer? A bit slower, please. Perfect. You are taking control of the conversation.
Rescue sentence number 3, clarify meaning.
Now, imagine this situation. You understand most of the sentence, but suddenly, one word destroys everything. Your brain stops. So you ask, what does blank mean? Example, what does deadline mean? Repeat, what does deadline mean? If you want to be extra polite, add, sorry, what does deadline mean? Another useful variation, what do you mean by that? This is useful when someone explains an idea and you want clarification. Repeat, what do you mean by that? And a simpler version, sorry, what is blank? Very natural, very common. Remember, asking questions shows intelligence, not weakness.
Rescue sentence number 4, confirm understanding.
Sometimes you understand, but you are not completely sure. Instead of guessing, confirm. Say, so you mean... Example, so you mean we meet at 3:30? Repeat, so you mean we meet at 3:30? Longer version, so you mean I should send it today? Excellent. This technique prevents mistakes. It also shows active listening. Another great confirmation sentence. Let me check. You said Friday, right? Repeat. Let me check. You said Friday, right? Now you are not guessing. You are verifying.
Rescue sentence number 5, by time.
Sometimes you understand perfectly, but your brain needs 1 second to organize the answer. It's buffering. In that moment, say, just a second, let me think. Repeat slowly. Just a second, let me think. Normal speed. Just a second, let me think. Another option. 1 moment, please. Very simple, very professional. These sentences give you space, and space gives you confidence. Shadowing practice. Now we train your speaking muscles. Repeat each line twice. First slow, then natural speed. Number 1. Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, can you say that again? Number 2. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Number 3. Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? Number 4. A bit slower, please. A bit slower, please. Number 5. What does deadline mean? What does deadline mean? Number 6. Sorry, what does that mean? Sorry, what does that mean? Number 7. So you mean we meet at 3:30? So you mean we meet at 3:30? Number 8. Let me check. You said Friday, right? Let me check. You said Friday, right? Number 9. Just a second. Let me think. Just a second. Let me think. Number 10. 1 moment, please. If you repeated them out loud, you just practiced real English conversation. That is how confidence is built, not by memorizing thousands of words, but by using the right sentences at the right time. Final message and challenge. Listen carefully. Feeling confused in English does not mean your English is bad. It means you are practicing in real life, and real life is fast. Even native speakers ask for repetition. Even native speakers say, "Sorry, what?" So here is your mission for today. Choose one rescue sentence, just one. Use it one time today, in a shop, with a colleague, with a friend, or even while watching a YouTube video. And when confusion appears, no more automatic yes, yes, yes. Use your rescue sentence. Then come back and tell me, which one feels hardest for you? Which one will you start using today? If this lesson helped you, save it. Listen again tomorrow, because repetition creates fluency. All right, my friend. This is Anna from Mr. English Coach. See you in the next episode.